Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SIM card not detected problem on your iPhone by following these steps. So let's get started. Very first thing is you want to pull down the top menu and put your phone on airplane mode, or pull up the control menu. And basically you want to put it in airplane mode for about 10-15 seconds and turn that off. You can also do this by going into your setting, turn it on and off, and does a quick network refresh. Now after you have done that, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go under your cellular section, and in the cellular section make sure your line is showing up here. Sometimes if you have multiple lines, you may need to turn on and off the line. Additionally, you want to turn off data and then turn it on as well, just to do a quick refresh. Now after that, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is remove the SIM card and just reinsert it back in. So we'll take our SIM ejector tool. We can also take a paper clip or earring piece, locate the SIM card. Usually it's going to be on the left side, sometimes on the right side on the older phones. So you're going to go ahead and just put that SIM ejector tool, give it a gentle push till the SIM card pops out. And we want to make sure we remove the SIM card. We want to verify the SIM card is in good shape, it's not damaged or anything like that. And you're going to go ahead and remove it like this, and then lay it again on it flat, just to make sure that there's no issue with the SIM card. And when you put it back in, you want to make sure that it sits flat and goes in really smoothly, and sits against the bezel without any gap or bump, so that way it will re-sync the SIM as well. Now after that, if you're still having the issue, then next thing you want to go ahead and do this method, which is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down the side button just like this, and we're going to keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black, which is good. And then we're going to wait for the Apple logo to reappear on the screen before we let go. And if it doesn't work the very first time, go ahead and try it a few times. It's quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, and then holding down that side button to do the forced restart. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data, but an important step to do if you're still having the SIM not detected issue. Now next thing you want to do once you're back on, if you're still not working, is going into your setting, and this time we're going to go to general and then scroll down to transfer reset iPhone, then click on reset, and we're going to do a network setting reset. A network setting reset just resets the network settings. Important step to do if you're still having issues. It will not delete any of your data like photos, videos, apps, still will be on your phone. Now if you're still having issue, next thing to do is updating your phone software. For this, you need to make sure that you're connected to the internet, or you can do it through your computer as well. So you're going to go into your setting, general, software update, and once you're connected to the internet, most likely on Wi-Fi, if your SIM card isn't working, you're not going to have cellular data, you can go ahead and update the phone that way. Now after you update your phone and you're still having issue, it's time to consider a couple other things. First thing is, in your setting, if you go to cellular, there may be an option to convert your physical SIM to an eSIM. You want to try to convert that if you have that option. Another thing is, you may consider using an eSIM if your carrier or the company provides that option as eSIM. Sometimes it just seems to work better than actually physical SIM card. And lastly, you want to contact your carrier just to make sure that your account is in good standing, there's no outage going on, or if they need to do anything on their end to fix that SIM card problem. And it may be coming down to a rare issue where you just need to replace the SIM if a newer version of the SIM is out, or your SIM is really old and it just needs to be replaced. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.